Hello everybody. Uh, if you are getting this kind of error on your screen when you are installing a VM machine on your Mac machine, so I just click on this and I'm getting this kind of error, cannot find a valid peer process. So it's very easy to resolve this issue. Just go to your Mac icon and click on the system preferences and click on this security and privacy. Here it is, the system software from developer vmware is blocked. So just click on this allow and it's done. Click OK and now restart your VM machine. Now it will start working. It will start the installation process.